Hey everybody, we've got a special kind of review for you this time, and it's going to be from Port Orleans Riverside, and specifically it will be in the Princess Royal room. And where is that specifically? But in the, let's see here, in the Port Orleans Riverside Magnolia Bend district, and they're in 2- and 3-story mansion buildings in the Oak Manor and Parterre Place. This is a moderate resort. Remember, as I say in every single review, check on those AP discounts and see if it's worth possibly getting an annual pass for at least one in your party, as you can receive quite a big discount, especially in a moderate or a deluxe resort. You can also get them in value resorts, so keep that in mind. Let me just say quickly too, this is also a large location, as there are several areas within Port Orleans. So anyway, I want you to be able to keep that in mind, because there could be quite a long walk if you stay in one of their standard rooms to the bus stop, to the lobby, and to the areas to eat or get food. Okay, so with that, I think we're ready to begin the room tour. Okay, so as you can see here, we're in the room, showing some of the furnishings. These are, of course, all spectacular furnishings compared to what you're going to see in a regular room. I think that probably it looks fairly ornate to me, really, compared to something that you're going to see in even a deluxe. I've never witnessed anything like this in a deluxe room. The bed, the headboards on the bed are kind of covered there, but built into the beds are fiber optics, and you can actually turn those on, and it looks like Starry Night or something like that, or fireworks and stuff like that going on the headboard. So keep that in mind. It is a kind of a unique little feature that your kids might enjoy. As you can see, as we continue to make our way around, all the princesses are up on the wall, and this is actually a great location for your kids. But of course, if you want to stay in it yourself also, I think that it has much nicer furnishings in it than what you're going to get if you're just in a standard room. But let's not forget, a lot of people like Port Orleans for the very reason of how it's in each area. It's even outside how it's decorated. So this is a very popular resort. So let's not discount it and think that without this, it's just your standard resort like a lot of them. Surprisingly to me too, this is a moderate resort, which means you're going to pay less here than what you would pay in a deluxe resort, when actually I think the room, especially this room, from what I understand, is even less than what you would pay to stay in a regular deluxe resort room. And I think this is far more worth the money than it would cost to stay in many of the deluxe resorts. So as you can see, princess furnishings everywhere. I think we're going to take a quick step here, outside, kind of give you an idea just quickly as to what it looks like outside. Anyway, that gives you a quick look at the outside. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and we will be back soon with more reviews. Bye.